sky, feeling bolder.
Going up, going up, going all the way. Going high, 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 high. Going up, going up, going all the way. Going high, high, high. Going all the way, going up. Going all the way, going up. Going all the way, going high, high, higher.
Importance of proper fingering. Imagine this. We just started a new piece and our measurements by all of the notes and dynamics, when all of a sudden you notice some small numbers written over some specific notes. As small as these may seem, these numbers can greatly affect how you play this piece. These are finger numbers, which right now may seem awkward, but will greatly enhance your performance. Of course, unless you turn out to be a 7-year-old prodigy pianist who unfortunately can't reach an octave with one hand. Finger numbers are numbers indicated by the composer of a piece to make the most out of an awkward situation. Even though these fingerings may not feel good at the moment, they are most effective when you have a sufficiently large hand. Did you mention that most composers are adults?